Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter hybrid V6 iForce Max, and it's turbocharged, twin turbo, and it's got 583 pound-feet of torque and horsepower in the high 400s, which is pretty insane. I really like these new Tundra TRDs and Sequoia TRDs. They're really cool, you know, because the same designs have been out for a long time, but Toyota updated the design a few years ago, and I love it. I think it's awesome. These are real expensive. It's like 80 to 100 grand, but they're really awesome. I love the screen, super cool, 360-degree camera system. These are capable off-road as well, especially the TRD Pro models. All the build materials are great. We put in sport mode. I love the seats. You have like a camo design on the TRD. It also says TRD Pro, TRD shifter, Sequoia TRD Pro mats. Engine sounds pretty good. Really muscular looking SUV. It might be a bit, you know, out there, but I really like it. I think it stands out. I like the wheels. See the suspension components over there. Lots of room in the middle seats, as you can see here. Look at this legroom. I'm 6'1". I fit back here very comfortably. Really nice. The cup holders right there. You have a third row. Third row has some pretty good space. These are captain's chairs, as you can see. You have like two exhaust tips on one end. I wish it had dual outlet exhausts on either side. That looks better to me. It looks more symmetrical. This is your space with the third row up. It seems like you have a little shelf or something like that to fit like some items. Those are some sharp leaves. It looks pretty good. And you also have like these camo plastic it's like a camo design. You have like these plastic fenders, and then you have running boards. They're not retractable, they're just normal running boards. Whoa. The infotainment system is pretty easy to use. It's full touchscreen. You have your locks down here, differential locks. Well, let's go for that drive. You have ventilated seats and heated seats. Nice touch. Dang, this thing's got some pickup. Engine has like a nice rumbly sound to it. I like that. Whoa, this thing's got a good amount of power. As I said, it has almost 600 pound-feet of torque. That's no joke. Obviously, it's a big SUV. The handling's not gonna be insane or insanely great. Man, I'm sure this thing shines off-road. I would love to. Yeah, I would definitely drive a Sequoia TRD Pro. I love the way it looks, and I like the hybrid system. It's cool. This thing picks up speed effortlessly. Wow. And it sounds real good. Like, I love the sound of the naturally aspirated V8 before, but this hybrid turbo V6 sounds pretty awesome too. I like it. And I like the red strip on the top of the steering wheel. Pretty awesome. Yeah, this is pretty fast. For a giant SUV like this, it picks up speed. braking is not bad either. I really, this thing is fast. It sounds so good. It doesn't sound like a V6. Like if I just drove this and you told me it was and I didn't know what engine was in it, and if you told me it was a V8, I'd probably believe it. It sounds a lot like a V8 just because it has like that rumbly, like rumble that you associate with the V8. And I love the seats. Seats are real comfortable. And the interior is just so cool. I love this truck. Or SUV, whatever you want to call it, but it's awesome. It feels more like a truck. Obviously it's a Toyota, build quality is great, and I'm sure these are going to be very reliable. I mean, I know like Tundras, I don't know if the Sequoias have like some transmission issues, but you know, overall I'm pretty sure they'll be reliable. Like obviously vehicles may have like, it's like it could be a recall or it'll be covered under warranty. But I'm sure in the long run these will be very reliable compared to other SUVs of this price, just with Toyota and Lexus's reputation. Like you could probably own this for a really long time and not have to worry about it. Especially while you're under the manufacturer's warranty period. This is really fast. I did not expect it to be that fast. Goodness. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. And I like that TRD badge on the bottom of the steering wheel. Pretty awesome vehicle. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles such as this one.